In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with beehiiv. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own beehiiv account and get your page set up quickly. If your goal is to build a clean landing page for collecting subscribers or presenting a specific offer, beehiiv makes the process very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your beehiiv dashboard and click Website. This will take you to the section where your site and pages are managed. Once you're there, go to the top right and select Edit Website. This opens the website editor, which is where you'll make changes to your public-facing pages. Inside the editor, focus on the left pane and click Pages. This area shows you the pages connected to your beehiiv site. It's useful to pause here for a moment because this is where you can review what already exists before creating anything new. You'll see your list of pages, and from here you can decide whether to update an existing page or create a separate one specifically for your landing page. Next, click Custom Pages. This is the section you'll use when you want to create a unique page that isn't limited to your default site layout. After opening Custom Pages, click Add Page. That will start the creation process for your new page. When prompted, name the page Landing Page. Keeping the name clear and simple makes it easier to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages for different campaigns, lead magnets, or promotions. From here, you can start making your edits to the landing page. You can build it manually if you want full control over the layout and content, or you can use a template to speed things up. If you're using a template, choose one that matches the goal of your page. For example, if the page is meant to collect email signups, make sure the design keeps attention on the form and the main message. Try to keep your text focused, your headline clear, and your layout uncluttered so visitors know exactly what action to take. As you edit, it's a good idea to think about the visitor experience. Keep the page simple, make sure your branding feels consistent, and avoid adding too many distractions. A landing page usually works best when it has one clear purpose. And that's it. That's how to create a landing page with beehiiv. Once your page looks the way you want, you'll be ready to use it as part of your newsletter growth strategy.